we figure out is probably, okay, this is going to be the midpoint. Okay. Midpoint, okay. All right, so based on this, do you think it's possible to solve? Because twice the amount of that, this will be the equivalent point, right? Okay, so Q1, okay. What's the volume of sodium hydroxide at equivalent point? Will be this 5.7, okay. Okay, question 2. K for Taco Bell. Of course, there are too much things to do before question 1 and question 2. Based on how many sodium hydroxide we have at the equivalent points, we can calculate minimum. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Minimum of sodium hydroxide. Okay, that equals to times 0.15 m. Okay. I don't have the answer key for this one because it's completely out of interest. I just, based on people say they want Taco Bell, so can someone just quickly calculate this one?
0.855.
Okay, 0.855. Okay, thank you. Okay. Means at this point, 0.855 minimum sodium hydroxide being used. There are also the same amount of acid being used, right? Okay. Which is the Taco Bell weak acid. Okay. Equals to minimum of acid. Okay. I don't want to write Taco Bell as acid, so I'll just write minimum acid. Yeah, Taco Bell sauce. Yes. Okay. I have 50 milliliter, so 0.855 minimum acid equals to the concentration of it times 50 milliliter. So we can figure out the concentration, right? Yeah. Okay. That's something we don't need for now, but we will move on for solving for Ka of the Taco Bell. It's just, since I'm here from our flowchart, the first part will be solve for minimum of acid and base. Okay. Ka, half of that, pKa, okay. pKa equals to pH at midpoint. Okay, our midpoint is here, right? Okay, so solve for Ka of it. pH equals to 4.75. pKa equals to equals to pKa. Ka equals to 10 to the negative 4.75. Okay, that's question 2. I think we did a similar one to this class, right? Yeah. Okay. Question 3, pH at equivalent point. This. It's already in the figure. Okay, question 3, pH at equivalent point, which will be, okay. That's it? That sounds like just a fun question. More or less like just to figure out what it is, okay? All right? Okay, hopefully you like this.